Hello, everyone. My name is Dwayna Respis. For some of you, I've had classes with you before, so hey. For all my new classmates, hi, how are you? I'm Dwayna. Um, what I currently do right now is I work for the Philadelphia Corporation for Aging. I'm a team lead assessor. And what we do there is we do assessments for the adult population. So anyone that is 18 years or older that is looking for in-home services, facility services such as nursing home or personal care home or dom care placement. The classes that I enjoyed the most were the interpersonal class and the statistics class. And I enjoyed those classes because it allowed the opportunity for interaction with your classmates. So I really enjoyed the group work. I did have some hiccups in some of my groups, but for the most part, I enjoyed getting to know the classmates and being able to interact and building that connection because doing the online program thing, it's kind of hard to build a connection with your professors and other classmates that you may not be able to talk to face or on a regular basis. What I have anxieties about, as far as this class, I don't really have too many anxieties. I'm just trying to take each class with stride. I don't know everything, so just learning. I'm just trying to do my best for the most part. So I wish everybody the best of luck, and I look forward to getting to know some of you and continuing to get to know some of you. So have a great day. Have a great evening.